Thank you for joining NYC Clean Heat for this quick video to learn about biodiesel for heat, benefits and resources for NYC buildings. Biodiesel is a liquid fuel that is important to the NYC Clean Heat program because of its application as a heating fuel. The feedstock of biodiesel, or what is used to produce biodiesel, is generally vegetable oils, though it can be produced from recycled oils, such as cooking oils from restaurants right here in NYC. As with all fuels, biodiesel has high standards that must fulfill a number of quality controls, as you can see here. While it's possible to burn 100% biodiesel in your heating system, most buildings that burn biodiesel are using a blend. Different blends are available, and the most common is a 5 to 20% blend. A 5% blend is called B5, a 20% blend B20, etc. If you're currently burning ultra-low sulfur number 2, you may not know it, but you're already burning a biodiesel blend, as all ULS2 in New York City is required to contain a B2 blend, or 2% biodiesel. NYC Clean Heat is a free outreach program from the Mayor's Office that was established to help buildings comply with regulations that the Department of Environmental Protection finalized in 2011. These regulations will eliminate heavy oil use in 2 phases. The first phase is that DEP will no longer renew certificates of operation for number 6 heating oil. Since these permits are renewed on a 3-year basis, number 6 fuel will be completely eliminated by 2015. The second phase requires buildings to convert to the cleanest fuels, so ULS2, biodiesel, natural gas, geothermal, etc., by 2030, or when replacing a boiler or burner, whichever happens sooner. So if you're burning number 6 now, it makes sense to skip number 4 and convert to ULS2 with a biodiesel blend. There are several benefits to the environment and to your building of burning biodiesel. For the environment, biodiesel has 99% less particulate matter and nitrogen oxide emissions than heavy heating oil. Biodiesel is the cleanest conventional heating fuel in terms of particulate matter emissions, or PM2.5, a leading cause of asthma. Biodiesel has even fewer particulate matter emissions than ultra-low sulfur number 2, which, as you can see in this graph, has close to 0 emissions. Biodiesel also has fewer net greenhouse gas emissions than heating oil, allowing a ULS2 biodiesel blend to have comparable greenhouse gas emissions to other clean alternatives. And it's domestically produced. Biodiesel is also good for your heating system. Since biodiesel burns cleaner, less particulate emissions, there's less soot buildup, and thus higher system efficiency and reduced maintenance. You can see a comparison of a burner using heavy heating oil versus a burner using a cleaner fuel in the image to the right. The Clean Heat team can also help you assess your projected fuel costs of converting to a blend with our oil-to-oil calculator. So contact us at the info on this slide so we can get started today. In addition, biodiesel has a higher cetane value than heating oil, so it combusts more easily. Lastly, in New York State, you're eligible for tax incentives when burning biodiesel in your heating system. The state of New York has been offering a tax credit for biodiesel for residential and water heating since 2006, and will continue to do so until at least 2016. The credit allows you to receive a 1-cent discount for every percentage of biodiesel you purchase per gallon, up to 20 cents a gallon. So if you're burning a B10 blend, or 10% biodiesel, you would get 10 cents back on each gallon you purchase. This helps make the conversion to a cleaner heating fuel more cost competitive. There's more information, including the link to the tax forms, on our website under Incentives. Using biodiesel in your system is relatively simple. If you're currently burning a heavy heating oil, number 6 or number 4, you'll want to contact NYC Clean Heat so we can help you assess your current system. Talk to your current fuel provider about biodiesel for heating fuel, or shop for a new supplier by going to the link at the bottom of this slide. Think about which blend is best for your building and discuss this with your contractor or supplier, and understand the operating costs. You'll have reduced boiler maintenance and increased efficiencies, which will help reduce overall costs, and you'll also consider energy efficiency measures to reduce costs, in addition to the tax incentives previously mentioned. If you're already burning ULS2, you simply have to discuss blending more biodiesel with your current fuel provider, or find a new provider at the link below. You'll also want to consider other cost-saving measures previously mentioned. NYC Clean Heat is a great free resource to help you convert your buildings to a cleaner fuel. Please check out our website, look up your address in our Spot the SIP map, and get in touch with us today. Thanks again for joining, and please check out our website or contact us by email or phone to learn more about NYC Clean Heat and how you can use biodiesel for heating.